Here's some breaking news. Brian Flores, NFL coach, has been allowed to move forward with his suit against the NFL, claiming that the NFL discriminates against black coaches. Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people who've been fired or afraid they might be. So Flores sued the NFL, claiming that it discriminated against him on the basis of race. And the NFL said, no. You have to go use our arbitration provision, which requires him to litigate this before Roger Goodell. So a little bit of home cooking. And the trial court said, no, that's ridiculous. That's not a real arbitration provision. Real arbitration is when you have a neutral judge who hears both sides, and there's a process by which you litigate that case, which the NFL does not arguably have. So the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, because the NFL appealed it, just came down with a decision that says, yeah, the trial court's right. This isn't a real arbitration provision, so Flores can go forward with his case in court. Now, does this mean that he's going to get before a jury? Not automatically. There's still a bunch of hoops he'll have to jump through in civil litigation in federal court. I'm sure that the NFL will try to get it kicked out at what's called summary judgment, but that doesn't happen until after discovery is complete, which means he gets to ask for all kinds of documents and records, take depositions of a lot of people within the NFL. So my suspicion is that that this gets settled. Now, the NFL said it's going to continue to try to appeal this. I think its options are limited. It can ask the full Second Circuit to hear, it's called an en banc decision, to hear this case. But it seems so cut and dry on its face. I don't think they'll get a different position. And this is not a case that the Supreme Court is ever going to take up. So anyway, it's going to be interesting to see. But for now, Brian Flores can move forward with this lawsuit in federal court.